I just got back and I just had my bath now. This is like 7:02. I just got home. I'm not going to be showing you guys when I am tying towel and I want to go and have my bath. Nah, only work, can't walk. I'm too shy for that life. Now I just had my bath. I want to rub my oil. This is my brand, Luso Skin Therapy. This is the body oil I use. A lot of people know that this is the body oil. This oil smells so good. Like every time I use this oil in a place where people are, they'll be like, oh, what's that nice smell? This is it. And this is what I use for my bad day. For my bad day. So I just finished having my bath. I'm going to oil my body now. So when I'm done, I'm going to now unbox the tripod. I've not unboxed it yet. The shaggy that I saw, right, when yesterday is enough for 4 days, because after recording that video that I made, after recording the videos, I went further to edit them. Now I didn't know that when you want to edit your videos, there are sounds on CapCut that when you use and you post it on YouTube is going to flag it as copyright. So I didn't know all that. I just went ahead to use the sound anyways. So when I uploaded it to my YouTube page, it said copyright. First time, copyright. Second time, copyright. Like I had to upload it like 5 times before I could get it right. And I was checking for sounds I'm going to use. So I went to TikTok, no rather ChatGPT, and he told me to go get a sound from 𝐓𝐫𝐢𝐳.com. So that was what I ended up doing. So yeah, let me not yap too much. So I'm going to oil my body, right? I'm not going to be showing you where I'm oiling on my body. I'm sorry. Another thing that I feel like is going to be kind of okay, let me not proclaim anything negative. Everything is going to work out for my favor. Everything is going to be easy for me. This vlogging thing is going to be easy for me. So basically, yeah, so today you're not going to be seeing much because there's not much to show. So I'm done oiling my body now, and I'm going to put this night cream that I use. It's also for my brand, and yeah, I use it most times. I use it only at night, except maybe on a day when I'm home all day, then I can use it. But aside that, I use it only at night, because you see the way it gives the white thing on the face. So that's why I use it only at night. So before I unbox this thing, I told myself that I wanted to do a 2 days water fast, right? But today is just day one. Day one. 12 a.m. I've not even knocked. My eye is turning me like this. I feel like swallowing hot eba. Like the eba. I feel like swallowing today. I don't know if I felt like swallowing eba in my life the way I feel like it today. Like I'm craving eba like mad. So, but we are doing water fast. So this is the tripod. It comes like this. Something I've started to fall. And if I won't go far. So this is how the tripod comes. It's raining, so you might be hearing some sound. So this is how it comes. You know, she showed me how to use this one. She said if I want to increase it, I should loosen it here. Okay. It's looking as if my stomach is coming down. Only 1 day of water fast. What will now happen if I now do 1 week? One day my eye will dumb me. I can't try it too. Now food I chop, I don't keep person. So this is it. So, me, I don't know how they are doing it again. I know it's supposed to be longer than this. They said it's 6 feet too. But what I'm seeing here is 5 feet. Okay. So this is the 6 feet. Can you come? So this is how it would have been if I was 6 feet. Thank God I'm not. Thank God I'm not 6 feet. Because if I was 6 feet, where do I want to see husband that will match up to this? Imagine I was 6 feet tall. Where would I see husband that can match up to this? So I'm not looking at my husband below the ground. So this is the tripod and what it looks like. So I'm going to remove my phone from there and put it here. Let's see. I'll put my phone from there now and put it here and reduce it so I can be humble, because I don't know what pride is this. You know, this is not my yeah. I'm trying to understand where my phone is supposed to be. She showed me, but I can't remember anymore. I can't remember. I've been turning this thing upside down and all. I can't remember. I swear I can't remember. I think this is it, but it still doesn't look right to me. I'm just going to place my phone like that. Then I'm going to check on YouTube and see for the perfect setup. Oh my God, I'm so happy! I really enjoy filming myself. I'm just laugh. The spirit is willing, but the flesh is lazy. I feel so sleepy, but I have to do Hallelujah challenge first. Sleep in my body like mad.